we have 5 to 6 properties in all over in India, and I am talking about the Hyderabad food lovers. Regarding that, we have a multi-cuisine restaurant in Hyderabad, Quality in Fidalgo, in Venue Restaurant, and now we are celebrating Rakhi Milan for last day and as well as today, and we given a grandly buffet. It's a vegetarian buffet, which is we given all Chinese, continental, Thai, as well as Rajasthani, Gujarati, Punjabi. So we just given South Indian also. We just given all that throughout the India, whatever the food available in vegetarian. So we all cover in our restaurant, as well as upcoming promotions like coming out like food festival. Recently we had a dosa and as well as lassi food festival, and again we are coming out with a Bombay theme like Chopati festival chaat, and we just given a traditional theme in the theme to give nice chaat to enjoy that kids also as well as all the people can enjoy that food. And this is a speciality in vegetarian. Since we are past last 18 years we are in Twin City, so I can say proudly that now we are a really truly vegetarian people. We can serve a lot of veg who loves us cuisines and all that here in Hyderabad. So you can enjoy that Rajasthani as well as Gujarati, and we have a regular buffets like lunchtime we have a dinner time buffet, which is weekend speciality like we typically will give Rajasthani cuisine like dal bati churma as well as kher sangri, kher kaju kismis, gatte ka saag, and come to Gujarati also we give all the person types khaman dokla, patra, this kind of people come and enjoy that our varieties in Hyderabad. So I can say that Telugu people also they can come and enjoy that, because we keep on touch with the Telugu people also. They also coming and enjoying the North Indian food as well as they are enjoying the South Indian food also. And that's what we last month we did dosa festival. So near about 100 varieties of dosa we just covered in a Venue Restaurant. So people are liked very much. So upcoming festivals, like I said, it's a Chopati festival. Like again, we are coming out to Punjabi food festival, and apart from this, that we are giving more like kitty parties, kitty nights, as well as couple nights. We are coming out. So keep on. We are doing all that food festival as well as theme also here. So we always look forward to you come and enjoy that. Our vegetarian food. Prices consider like the food festival wherever I said in hotel industry like food festival, it is not like that we are not gaining anything, and we are showing that how many varieties we have, so how many varieties we can give. It's not a price thing that we are just making and we are just taking that money from customer and all that. Let the customer enjoy the food and reasonable rates, and lot of varieties we can produce. So let the people come and enjoy vegetarian. So vegetarian is the strongest one. So be vegetarian. Thank you.